And this is my Scion XD 2009, and this was my work vehicle. In a nutshell, the engine, transmission have been well taken care of, but I have put a lot, and I mean a lot of miles on this vehicle, and I used it as a tool for my previous business, which was iPhone repairs. As you can tell here on the sides, I used to have magnets placed on the door here, and they've kind of left their final mark, but I've removed all the decals and all like stickers that I had advertising my mobile iPhone repair service, and now this is going to be the first car that I start doing projects on. This is my 2009 Scion XD. Got a bunch of miles, but it needs some work. It needs some TLC, and that's what we're gonna do. And today's project, we're going to be rotating the tires. Now, I need to replace the tires because they're really bad, but as of right now, what we have on the rear are much better. So today, I'm gonna show you how I will do a simple tire rotation. All right, if you can see there, not a lot of tread left on the front tires. And this is what it looks like on the back. Let's get to it. Let's put that. Okay. All right. Underneath the driver's seat is where you can find the jack stand, or the jack itself, on the Scion XD. Okay. I've had this jack for years. All right. I think that should be all we need. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, underneath the vehicle there are specific points to where you should be jacking up your car. Now, there's gonna be one towards the front and one towards the back. You can define them by their little indents. So, between indent 1 and indent 2 is where we're gonna be placing our jack. And that's what it should look like. All right. So when rotating tires, try to do your best to jack up both sides, and we have the emergency brake on so that the vehicle doesn't move. But just in case, you still want to put something to chock your wheel. This tire is really bad. As you can see, it's completely like bald on the inside, and there's a gradient toward the outside. Wow. take a look at the inside. We are completely dry rotted and cracked. So even though I'm doing this tire rotation, I'm going to need to order tires to replace right away. So this is literally just a temporary fix. But the reason why you would want to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 10,000 miles is to prevent uneven wear, like these tires up front wearing out so bad, cracking, compared to the quality of this tire here in the back that's still in much better condition. As you can tell, this is still a very, very meaty tire. From what I can see, looks in much better condition. I am seeing some tearing as well, some cracking. So like I said, our temporary fix right now to get better tires on the front of this vehicle, but these have to be replaced all the way around. Alright, so there we have successfully put the rear tire on the front and the front tire on the rear, completing a successful tire rotation. As you can see, we have the beefier tires on the front, and this is especially important with this vehicle because it is a front engine, front wheel drive. Both movement and control are done by the front two wheels, and the rear two just kind of tag along for stability and control. Alright, so there we have a successful tire rotation. I will repeat the same exact process on the opposite side, and that you have your tire rotation. The next thing I need to do to the vehicle is replace the battery and give it a really good cleaning inside, even more than out. It really needs it. Let me know what you think I should do to this car next. I have so many ideas, but I would love to hear what you have in mind. Maybe coilovers? Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video.